Hello everyone, I'm Ali. Welcome to the Spatial Skills channel. Here, we're going to learn professional GIS together. Today, we'll explore another toolbox in ArcGIS, so stay with me. The Clip tool is one of the essential tools in the Analysis Tools toolbox. Its job is to cut your vector layers based on a boundary layer. Vector layers include points, like city locations, lines, like roads or rivers, and polygons, like province or country boundaries. To understand it better, imagine you have a layer of all the roads in a country, and you want to extract only the roads that are located within a specific city. In this case, the layer of cities, which is a polygon, acts as the boundary layer, and your roads layer, which is a line layer, is clipped based on it. This way, only the roads related to that city remain. Now, let's see how to use this tool. First, open ArcMap and add your desired layers. In this example, we have two layers. Roads layer. This layer acts as the input features, meaning it's the layer we want to clip. Cities layer. This layer acts as the clip features, meaning it's the boundary layer used to clip the roads layer. In other words, we're going to clip the roads layer based on the boundaries of the cities layer. After adding the layers from the Geoprocessing menu, select Arc Toolbox. In the Arc Toolbox window, navigate to Analysis Tools, Extract, and double-click on Clip. In the Clip window, you will see two main parameters. Input features. The layer you want to clip, for example, the roads layer, which is a line layer. Clip features. The boundary layer used as the clipping area, for example, the cities layer, which is a polygon. There is also an optional parameter called XY tolerance. The XY tolerance parameter determines how close points need to be to each other for the software to consider them as a single point. To understand it better, imagine you have 2 points on a map that are very close to each other. If you set the XY tolerance to 1 meter, the software will treat these 2 points as 1 point because the distance between them is less than 1 meter. However, if you set the XY tolerance to 10 meters, the software will only consider points that are more than 10 meters apart as separate points. In other words, XY tolerance acts like a minimum distance. If points are closer than this minimum distance, the software will merge them. This parameter is used to control the spatial accuracy of the data. If the XY tolerance is smaller, the spatial accuracy increases, but the data size also increases. If the XY tolerance is larger, the spatial accuracy decreases, but the data size becomes smaller. In most cases, the software's default value is suitable, and there's no need to change it. After selecting these parameters, specify the output path and click OK. After running the tool, a new layer will be created containing only the roads within that specific city. This new layer, which I have named Road Clip, acts as the output layer and includes only the roads that fall precisely within the city boundaries. Now you can analyze this layer or use it in your maps. It's that simple. Now you know how to use the Clip tool in ArcMap. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Don't forget to follow more videos from Spatial Skills to learn GIS like a pro. Thanks for watching.